What is up, YouTube? My name is Cooper Salvoni and welcome back to another Safari Builds video. I've been working on my car's air intake, which I can't show you, but I've been working on it all day. Okay, and on that note, today's video is going to be a slight problem I have. It's under my car. My car is it's very long, so clearance is like iffy. And it's a Volvo. It's lifted about 6 inches, but it's still, I mean, that's a lot for this car, but not for like a 26-inch lifted truck. But underneath, my valve system it's kind of hanging out pretty low. So we're gonna try and fix that. Yeah, but it should be pretty easy because if you watch the valve installation video, you could see that I put some V-band clamps on there. So now I can just unplug the valves, take them out, measure, cut with an angle grinder, weld it. So that's what we're gonna do today. Knowing me though, I'm gonna like weld through, cut through my drive shaft. And dude, it's about to go down. Okay, so I got it out after a while. I put a new blade on my angle grinder. And now we're gonna angle grind. We got the first one down right here. It's hard to see, but we got it. Alrighty, folks. Time to get this one down. Now we have a clean pipe. You can see all the way through it. Boom, 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 boom. We'll probably weld it and we'll be finished. So yeah. See you later, alligator. Okay, so I have everything set up the way it should be. Okay, after a lot more problem solving than probably ever needed in the whole universe, this one on this side's good, and the other one on the other side is pretty much good, except we need to cut, I can't tell how much you can see, but we need to cut all the super shiny silver off. So this stuff over. I'm gonna finish this welding and show you guys the finale. Okay, we finished it, and I know it looks like the exact same as before, and that's how it kind of feels because it's pretty late right now. This took me a lot of time, and the amount of fumes in my brain right now, like I can feel every hair on my head. See how this side's a little longer and this side's shorter? I had to trim this side, and I'm hoping it fits. And I don't know, something tells me this isn't gonna fit and I'm gonna lose my mind. So let's get a live reaction of that. I might re-weld everything right now, folks. I'm about to flip out. started this project around, I think 3, maybe 2, and it's now almost 9:30. I mean 8:30. So now we're gonna get a good start up. We're gonna listen to it. So yeah, I'm gonna put the mic right here so you can hear it. To get a little rev going, I'll put you on this side now. Alrighty, well, I'm ready. Really cold, actually. Okay, well, thanks for watching this video. Holy sus, it's cold out. Oh my goodness. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh my goodness, I gotta go and take some, like, shower. What? Yeah, thanks for watching. Dude, it's just cold in here. Okay, peace out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video. Oh my goodness!